Geographical location plays a crucial role in determining the exposure and vulnerability of a property to various risks. Underwriters assess location-specific factors, including natural hazards and proximity to risk elements, to evaluate the likelihood and severity of potential losses. Natural hazards are environmental risks associated with a property's location that directly impact its insurability and loss potential. Properties in seismic zones are vulnerable to ground shaking, which can lead to structural damage or collapse. Underwriters assess seismic activity history, building resilience, and compliance with seismic building codes. Flood risks arise from heavy rainfall, river overflow, or storm surges. Assessment includes proximity to flood-prone areas, water bodies, and flood management systems like levees or dams. Coastal areas are prone to hurricanes, which cause wind damage, storm surges, and flooding. Key factors include historical hurricane patterns, building wind resistance, and location in storm-prone zones. Properties near forests or grasslands face wildfire risks, especially in hot, dry climates. Evaluating proximity to vegetation, presence of firebreaks, and local emergency response capabilities is essential. The location's surrounding environment may include specific risk factors that elevate the property's exposure. Nearby industrial facilities pose risks of explosions, fires, and toxic spills. The assessment focuses on distance, safety protocols, and regulatory compliance. Proximity to forests increases wildfire risk. Underwriters consider fire prevention measures like controlled burns or natural barriers. Close proximity to rivers, lakes, or oceans heightens flood and erosion risks. Elevation relative to the water body and flood history are critical evaluation points. High-density areas can amplify risks like fire spread, vandalism, or civil unrest. Nearby high-risk occupancies are also considered. Identifying properties with elevated risks due to location helps tailor coverage and conditions. Properties in high-risk areas often attract higher premiums or specific exclusions. Ensures balanced geographic distribution of risks, avoiding excessive exposure in catastrophe-prone zones. By thoroughly analyzing geographical and proximity factors, underwriters create policies that reflect the true risk profile, safeguarding both the insurer's portfolio and the insured's interests.